All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is a 2500 high top, long wheelbase with 31,000 miles, white with black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scuffing right there, as you can see. It's got a little, it's a little chippy or cracking there on that little corner there. Hood looks pretty good. Fender here does have a dent, as you can see, about 3 to 4 inches. Front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread over 7/32. This door looks okay. This quarter looks pretty good. Looks like maybe it's had some previous repair on it. Yeah, I think it's been previously repaired. I'm not sure, but it looks it. Got a little ding there. Got a dent here, as you can see from here to down here. Got another dent here. That's about it for up there. All right, here's your rear passenger a rear driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread back here is over 7/32. Keeping it moving. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, your front driver's seat. No tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM/FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your cup holders and crap like that. I see I must have dropped the owner's manuals. All right. What else? This is, of course, what your instrument cluster looks like. You see does need tire pressure light on. Mileage of 31,834. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep the lights on and stuff. Rear bumper looks okay. Your doors look pretty good. This one does have a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Doors do swing out all the way. Boom, boom. Here's, of course, what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Those lights up top obviously are working. Moldings real well in there. Okay, this door, of course, that thing you can see is cracked. You could either replace it or take it off. It's up to you guys. All right, likewise here, replace it or take it off. It's up to you. All right. All right. Here we do have a dent, likewise, like the other side. All right. Rest of it looks pretty good. Is your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread. Yes, over 7/32. This here looks like it's also been previously repaired. I think the sliding door. Got some, this is actually not a chip. This is some glue or something on here. Oh no, it's a chip. A little chip there. Another one next to another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. All right. So what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Very nice. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. It's over 7/32. Just got some condensation there. All right, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 long wheelbase with high top with 31,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Happy bidding.